Totally caved, TikTok made me buy it. I have my first The Vintage Store mystery box in my hands and we're gonna open it together. If you haven't seen these boxes before, they're pretty much packed with pre-loved designer goodies. You can fill in on the website when you're checking out your box what your style is, what you like, what you don't like. It's pretty much a mystery. They decide what goes in your box and then you get a surprise when you open it. There are 3 different sizes of boxes that you can choose from. You can go big and get 5 pieces for £100. You can go medium and get 3 pieces for £60. Or you can go small and get 2 pieces for £40. They've also just released a women's box as well as the unisex box, which I am excited about. This is the 3-piece box, so let's get into it. First up we have this Adidas sweatshirt. It's not really my style. I should have filled in that box. I did not fill in that box. But it's pretty nice. It's actually really high quality. There's no rips that I can see. It looks pretty much brand new. This is what it looks like on. I feel like a skier with this little neck. It's actually kind of nice. I feel like it's going to be a gym top rather than anything else, but it's pretty decent. Next up we have a North Face fleecy jacket. This is actually super useful because I do go hiking and outdoorsy things, stand up paddleboarding, etc. So this will be super useful. I'm not sure what their obsession is with North Face because I swear it's in like every single box, but I'm grateful. This is quite cool. This is what it looks like on. This is the small box, by the way, so all of these items are in a small. Definitely not cool enough for this last piece. It is a Harley Davidson t-shirt, 105th anniversary. The sleeves are a bit short for what I used to like the big ones, but that's a pretty little t-shirt and I'm going to a photo shoot next weekend, so I think this might be one of the outfits that I kind of pitched to them to wear. There you have it. The 3-piece women's box is a pretty decent little box, I think, and I am very grateful for the bits that I've got, even if they're not all totally my style. I think I would just fill out the form a little bit more carefully next time.